Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Firstly, a happy 4th of July, Independence Day to all my American friends. I hope you enjoy the long weekend. Maybe you're going to spend some time this long weekend checking out some actionable charts. That's what I'll be doing, and this is one that I found just today. It's the iShares Momentum Factor ETF, ticker MTUM. Now, this ETF owns stocks in a lot of companies that are doing really well right now, including Broadcom, Meta, Netflix, JP Morgan, Visa, Palantir, and the like. And so this is something that gives you broad-based exposure, and I think it's actually in an interesting spot because it's not too extended above all the key moving averages here. You can see how this is in and around the 8-day exponential, has near-term support down near the 21-day exponential. You can see down there, it didn't go under the 21-day, but not too extended off that 8-day exponential. So I would have an alert here on the MTUM ETF in and around $240 and look for some follow-through to the upside into next week. So that's just one of many things we're looking at this long weekend at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you next time.